Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to get card transaction alerts on Opay. Now the first thing you do is open up your Opay app, and once you've done this, tap on the me icon at the bottom here. After tapping on that, tap on the gear icon at the top here, and then next thing to tap on SMS alert subscription. Now you want to subscribe to get SMS alerts whenever payments are made with your Opay debit card and whenever cash withdrawals are made with your Opay debit card. So if you want this, tap on the second option here. Now note that if you subscribe to this SMS alert, you will pay ₦4 per message, and this payment will be every last month and it's automatically debited at 10 a.m. on the 3rd of each new month, which means the SMS alert payment of ₦4 for the month, for example for the month of October, will be debited on the 3rd of November at 10 a.m. Then the one for November will be debited on the 3rd of December at 10 a.m. It's as simple as that. So once you've done that, tap on subscribe. Now once you tap on subscribe, now you'll be asked, are you sure you want to subscribe to this SMS service? A box is ticked that said you have read and agreed to the SMS subscription service terms. If you haven't, tap on SMS subscription terms, highlighted in green, to read the SMS subscription service terms. After doing that, you come back and you can leave this box ticked. If you agree, if you do not agree, turn it off. Untick the box, and if you do that, you can make sure you're not subscribing. You simply can tap on cancel. But if you're subscribing, tap on yes, go on. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.